Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, what have we got? We've got cucumber, celery, tomato, some chickpeas, a little lemon, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and a few seasonings. Happy summer, Mike Foster here. Guess what? This is a refreshing vegetarian and vegan salad. Now, if you want to make it, you know, non-vegan, throw a little cheese on there, but I'm not even eating cheese these days. This is a killer, simple summer salad. Nothing to it but to do it. I'm going to chop this gorgeous vegetables up, put this beautiful salad together. Take a big bite. Check it out. All right, let's get chopping. We're going to start off with, this is the celery, and we're just going to, look, we're going to get them all together. Check that out. See that? That's easy. So put them all like that. And we're going to get beautiful cuts like that, okay? I'll let you know when that's done. That's all done. We're going to put it in this bowl. All right, there it is in the bowl. What's next? Let's do the cucumber. All right, for cukes, I like to take the top off like that, then take this other part off. Let's toss these. Next, we cut it in half, and then we get rid of the skin, the rind, the peel, whatever you want to call it. We're getting rid of it. Just like that. And then I'm going to cut this in half like this. See it? Beautiful cukes. And then we're going to slice them up like that. Just about the same size as that celery. So I'm going to finish this one, finish that second one. And then I'll show you what I do next. All right, cukes are done. Let's put them in the bowl. Scoop them up like this. See how easy that is? Zing, bada bing. Right now you've got beautiful cucumber and celery. Let's add a little color to this. How about some tomatoes? All right, here's this tomato. We're gonna cut this a little more like this. I know you see it. Slice it in half, slice it in half, slice it in half. Like this. And that one's escaping. This is a baby. All right, let's put this in the bowl. Let's see how we look. You can mix it with your hands as long as you wash them within the last couple months. I've washed mine recently. I think that's enough. I don't think I need any more tomato. All right. Next, we take this lemon. I'm going to slice it into a third, and then a third again. We're going to squeeze this into the salad. I'll meet you and dress this mess. Now, everything is super healthy for you. You've got cucumbers that are healthy. I have videos on all these, on why you should eat these and why they're so healthy. Look, it's actually using a fork and a spoon. Next, we're going to add the chickpeas or garbanzo beans or chichis. This is going to give it some protein. Oh, those are good. I don't want to use them all. Save some for my wife. That one went on the floor. That's for the kitty. These are really healthy for you. Chickpeas have been around for centuries. They're the key to hummus. Okay, next some pepper. That's a lot of pepper, but that's enough. 2 salts, 1, 2, put that away. Now this is a spice called coriander. It's also called cilantro. If you had it fresh, it would be good, but you can use it like this. It's also really good with poultry, but I'm not eating a lot of meat right now. It's gonna be perfect for this salad. Not too much. And then some basil. I'm not kidding. That's it. Squeeze of some lemon juice. That's gorgeous. Now what do you do with this lemon? Throw it in the garbage? Eat it? No, you put it down the garbage disposal and it makes it smell delicious. Check that out sometime. This is the sound that it makes. I'm not kidding! Extra virgin olive oil. That's a little, you can't take it back. Make sure you don't put too much in. And then beautiful balsamic vinegar. Put a little on there. Let's see. That looks like the baby right there. All right, let's mix this up. Give it a good mix. When I'm done mixing this, I'm going to serve this baby up, take a bite, and let you know how it tastes. I'll see you there. There's the close-up Little pepper on the sides. Looks gorgeous. Looks so good I'm gonna eat it with a spoon. I don't want to miss a bite. Big bite coming up. All right, there's your simple killer summer salad with all those ingredients. So good you want to eat it with a spoon. Oh, I got a little of everything there. It's bright from that balsamic. Taste a little bit of lemon. Chew. Just got a chickpea. Celery's crunchy, but really good for you. The tomato is sweet, acidic. Of course, the olive oil coats everything. Delicious, healthy salad for you. With those chickpeas, you're getting about 7 grams of protein. That'll get you going for a little while. Delicious. Vegan, vegetarian, healthy. But don't think about that. Just think about how good it is and how important it is to eat right in between those fried egg sandwiches, you know what I'm saying? And keep watching Live Life 365 if you want more videos like this at my YouTube channel. Until next time. Look at that baby. Peace.
Live life 365.
Nothing to do with but sound of cucumber being thrown in the trash. Get rid of those. What I do next is I take this, I go, Gotta find out where that one went. There it is. Behind the counter. All right. Don't forget to hide the trash, Mike. Sometimes you forget. You're stupid. Stupido. Sweet Babu. I like to say it. Honestly, it's really healthy for you. Kind of crazy, right? Try that one. I meant what I said about the lemons. Put them down the garbage disposal. Make sure there's no seeds. So remember that. No seeds, lemon. After you squeeze it, down the garbage disposal, it'll smell like lemons, which is better than smelling like other stuff. Blah, blah.